my name is Rebecca Morgan, and my question last week that I chose was who am I and what motivates me? My follow-up question is motivation by faith okay in the classroom? What is allowed for students and teachers in the classroom, being faith-wise and religion-wise? Living out faith. This means living out your faith daily by choosing the right, free agency, answering questions about what you believe. This doesn't mean preaching to your students. This means when you get a question about what you believe, you answer it, plain and simple. Finally, you can pray for your students, and I don't mean hold hands with your students and pray with them and for them. I mean when you're alone, pray for your students. Pray for them to do well. Pray for them to understand. Pray for them to know you care. Just pray for them. How to act and speak. Allowing your faith to drive how you act and what to say can guide you in the wakes of a better classroom. And what I mean by this is when you choose how to act and what you say, that impacts your students. That impacts what they learn. That impacts how they learn. That impacts if they learn. So it's really important to allow your faith to guide you. Express faith in your students' abilities to learn a new task. And this means telling your students that they can do it, that you have faith in them, that they will get the task done in a timely manner, that they will understand. Do not go in and rescue them right away if they do not understand a topic. And what this means is as soon as they say, I give up, don't just swoop in and tell them the answer. Maybe help them figure it out, but don't tell them the answer. Don't give it away. Help your student understand it better themselves so they know it for themselves. Teach agency in the classroom. Teach them that they have a choice. Give them a choice on how they're going to learn that day. That's something really important to do, because if you teach the same way every single day, they'll never learn anything. Encourage students. Encourage your students to do well in the classroom. Encourage your students to strive for higher expectations. Robert D. Hales once said, "Agency used righteously allows light to dispel the darkness and enables us to live with joy and happiness." And Oprah Winfrey once said, "What God intended for you goes beyond anything you can imagine." This is my works cited page.